be a great tournament. It looks like the good Lord may be shining on us. Looks like we're going to have some good weather for the tournament.
581.7. For the grand finale, first and second place goes to the Bullwinkle.
Hey guys, it's Dante with Flambeau Outdoors. We're at ICAST 2023.
I'm Captain Ron Mitchell with the Bandit Fishing Team. We're here at the 2023 ICAST event at the FXR booth.
Hey guys, Savannah Stenlin here with Old Town Canoes and Kayaks. We are at ICAST 2023 and man, it has been an incredible show for us here.
Day 2 of the 2023 ICAST show.
Hey guys, Dustin with Minn Kota. I'm here, I want to talk to you about the new Riptide Instinct Quest model.
Hey everybody, I'm Captain Mark Henderson with the Liquid Fire Fishing Team here at 2023 ICAST.
How's it going, y'all? Anthony Alvarez here with Power Pole, talking about the new Move trolling motor.
I would like to introduce this year's nominee, Captain Paul Spencer.
Largest king mackerel, Triple J, out of Winnebago, North Carolina.
And we are here this week celebrating our 20th anniversary.
Once again, welcome to the 20th annual Virginia Beach Billfish Tournament Award.
$475.7.
First place, the real developers, Mr. Joey Penfield, $150,000 plus an additional $5,000 for the day 2 big fish for $155,000.
First place small boat, Team Rawhide, Captain Terry Godwin. First place overall, Jamaican Me Crazy East Coast Sports.
We put them on that scale and it said 55, boy, I still was dead.
So ladies and gentlemen, your open class national champion for 2023, Team Forgiven, Captain Randy Burton.